So today I decided to record myself doing Java assignment. I don't know why, but I'm just bored, I guess. So whatever, let's get into it. So first of all, I think we have to design a superclass. So we have to create a class named vehicle. So let's create a class real quick. Let's call this vehicle. All right, first in, we already made typo, whatever. So we have the attributes. So attributes, brand. Oh, sorry, brand. Sorry, string first. Brand and the speed is double. All right. Before we go on, let me just encapsulate all the fields or attributes real quick. So, and then we have in the method we have a default constructor here. So vehicle takes nothing, I guess. So the brand, yeah, I think this brand generic, and then this not speed. Oops, sorry. 00. A parameterized constructor. Vehicle string brand double speed, and there you go. Parameterized constructor, and then one. What's the third one? Getter and setter. Okay. Uh, getter and setter for all the classes. Come on. Let's select both of these. So on Mac, you just have to hold Control key with the return button, and we'll select. We have a generator for you, and just select getter and setter. And for Windows, I guess you have to hold Control and plus Insert key. The control on Mac and control on Windows is a different thing, by the way. So don't mix it up. A method move and prints the message. Okay. Methods. I'm gonna call this methods, I guess. Public void and move, and then s out, we're going to print the vehicle is moving, and then another one. Oops. Public void, and we have stop. uh, Stop, I guess. Okay, I think we're done with this superclass now. I think we're gonna get to subclasses, and we're gonna create a car subclasses. So let's first of all, the attribute. Make sure to have a good habit of encapsulating the attributes. Seating capacity. What am I doing? Attributes, and we have a default constructor, and we're going to public car in seating subcapacity. No, this is parameterized. But anyway, we can actually do this thing, doesn't matter. Oops. Public car with no parameter, and then we have to this, and then we have to initialize this thing to 4, and this one parameterized constructor. Okay, and then we have what? Another constructor. Okay, so constructor with extended superclass. So we're gonna public car, and then we're gonna have brand. I think it was string brand, and then we're going to have, I think the speed was double, right? Maybe. Seating capacity is an integer. Super, and then we're gonna have brand and speed, and then this overridden methods. Why is this thing red? Oh wait, hang on. Yeah, we have to extend the subclass to with the superclass. So we have move. All right. Public void move, and then it's out. The car is cruising on the highway. I think we have to include the keyword override here. I mean, in IntelliJ, you don't have to write it. It's smart enough to understand what you want. But just for, good demonstration or good habit, you should write it anyway. I'm not sure if the other IDE has this function or not, but probably not, I guess. Whatever. Anyway, second one, toString function. ToString function is a built-in function in Java, so it is an object. It is in the object library, I guess. So you know, so we have to return this. Hang on. Car brand equals to this dot brand. Sorry, super dot get brand, and then plus speed equals to, yeah. So I think we're done with this thing now. Okay, let's another one, truck. Let's do truck. Loading capacity is a double. Load capacity. Make sure to encapsulate this. I always forget to encapsulate my fields, whatever, or attributes. One call attributes and fields are the same things anyway, so you can use it interchangeably. And we have a default constructor. Let's do truck public truck, take no parameter, and we're gonna initialize it, initialize the load capacity to capacity to 5.0, and then another one we have a parameterized constructor. Load capacity, and this is parameterized. You know what? Let's parameterize constructor, and we have constructor with extended class, and I don't want to forget to extend the class, otherwise it won't work. Let's go public truck. I think it should be the same thing. String brand, double speed, and we have double load capacity, and then super brand this load capacity right here, and overridden methods. So we're going to have sorry, got an R right here. So public override first. Public void move, and then we're gonna S out this thing out. Truck, the truck is hauling the goods, and then we're gonna have the toString function thing. String toString return truck with, first of all, I think the brand equals to super dot get brand, and then we're gonna have, what's wrong? And this should be capital B. There you go. Hmm. What else? Speed, of course. And then I think we're done now, right? Yeah, I think we're done. Let's get a main function. So I'm gonna write this down. Okay, hang on. Return a string representation of the truck of the car. Main function right here. We have to create an array of vehicle references and populate with car and truck objects. Okay. Okay, this is a lot to take into account, okay? I think I'm gonna do it 6 only. 10 is maybe a bit too much. We're gonna have vehicles at index 0. And then we're gonna have a new, I guess, car without any function. I don't know. 2, and this one we're gonna set the, hang on. Yeah, the loading with the parameterized constructor with the seating capacity. Sorry. Seating capacity, I guess I'm just gonna do it since the default is 4, so we're gonna put it maybe 5, I guess. I don't know. 5, and then with this one extend superclass here and then brand speed whatever. So brand, I guess I'm gonna put it like Volvo. I don't know, speed is 160. And the seating capacity, I guess I'm gonna put it maybe a 6. And then we have vehicles at index 3 equals to new and then truck. And then we're gonna I think loading capacity default is 5, so with the parameterized constructor, I guess I'm gonna do 10 maybe. And then the brand, what brand? Just call it deer. And then speed, let's do it 200. And then the loading capacity is 50. I don't know. Load capacity 50. I think we're done now. So we have to display the details. So I'm gonna do it in a loop. Uh, Move first, I guess. So vehicles at index I dot move, and then CL vehicles I. And yeah, I think it's all for this. Okay. We just oops. Okay. All right. It's pretty good. Okay, car brand, because we did not set anything, it's just go with the default constructor. So then brand 6. Okay, well yeah, we're getting there. All right, so I think we're done now. So for here, we have to create a UML diagram. Uh, so hang on 1 second. Create the array of vehicles and then display the details of each vehicle. Okay, I think we're done here. So I guess I'm gonna go to draw.io to make a diagram. Do we have a template here? But I could go for anything, whatever. flow charts. We have arrows, miscellaneous, I think. We need a list. Hang on. There it is. Okay, let's drag it up here. And this is gonna be our super class. I think this is what we want, right? Include the vehicle superclass and car truck subclasses. Okay, show the attribute methods and constructors for each class. Use appropriate UML notation to illustrate inheritance relationships and method overriding. Save UMLs, okay? Sure, got it. So our superclass, sorry, not truck, vehicle. Oh, we actually have UML right here though. I should have got this one instead. Okay, vehicle, and then we're gonna have the field type. Field here, it's private. Which one we use? This one? This one. It's minus sign, right? Maybe not. So vehicle here we have private brand. Oops. Oh my god. I wrote it in here. Should be in here. Come on, right. Brand, and it is a string. And then now one we have speed. Double. And for our methods, we have what? The default constructor is vehicle. This is a, I think, parameterized constructor right here. So we have brand, that is string, and now one we have speed, that is double. Set brand, sorry, let me go back to vehicle, set brand, and this thing will be a void. I think it's only like, we only know that this is a void. Like, you don't really need to specify that it's a void. Get speed, and this is return as a double. This one set speed, and we're gonna return this. This has no return. This is just void. Methods, we have move, and then stop, which has no utilization. Stop. I think that's all, isn't it? So this is our super class. So let's get to the subclasses. So for subclasses, I think we have car, and the fields attributes, we have a private attribute, and have a seating capacity that has a data type of an integer. And then for the constructor, we have car, which returns nothing, just a constructor. And this one is parameterized constructor. Right here, we'll have seating capacity that has a data type of an integer. And right here, we have extended superclass. Okay, this is a little long, all right? So we have brand return as string. We have speed that returns, no, that has the type of double. Why did I say return? And we have seating capacity that has data type of an integer. All right, let's make this a little bigger. And then we have what? We have the override class here, which will override the move. You just don't have to do anything special. It's just like write move, and we'll all know that it's connected here. Yeah. And then we have toString that return string. ToString, and we return a string. I think that's it. We don't have anything else. Let's delete them. And you know what? Just for the sake, because I'm kind of a little lazy, I'm just gonna copy this or duplicate this one. Change this thing to truck load capacity, and this is, oh no, hang on, double. This one we have truck, and we have truck 2 with load capacity, and the data type is double. Just I'll write this thing first, double, and then this is, oops, load capacity. I think the rest should be the same because, you know, it inherits from the same superclass anyway. And we have move, and we have toString, return a string. There you go. All right. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw an arrow, something. I'm not sure what arrow should I draw. We need this one though, actually. And maybe just rotate it 90-degree. Make it a little bigger, I guess. There you go. I think that's how we do it. Do we actually like have to like put arrows? I don't think we need arrows, right? Oh, actually we have arrows though. Yeah, we actually have arrows. Oh, good lord. Even didn't do it, I might have failed for that. So arrow should be going into here. Well, I guess I'll just use this one. There you go. I think we're done. All right. I think we're done, right? Let me double check real quick. Car, truck, inherit from this one. And I think we're done. Okay, I think we're done now. Let's save this. Export, or I think export as an SVG, and diagram appearance, and go with light. All right, link automatic, and yeah, export. All right, there you go. And can we actually view it in here? Oh no, we can't. Oh, we can. Okay, that's good. That's good enough. Okay. Right. All right, we're done here. So we're done. We're done. Anyway, I'm gonna end this thing now.